So I'm gonna cut out a 10-inch piece. Just go right here. 10 inches so that I can at least put an angle. And yeah, it probably will be off a little bit when it comes to this part, but it's probably the best thing I can do. Then I can go ahead and just screw that on here, and I can go and make some angle pieces that'll fit from here to here, I think. So now I'm putting on the measurements for the one of the side pieces. If I did this wide, which I think I might have, I used a paper trick again to make this angle, because this is the angle that I'm going to need so they can attach right to the AC. So this kind of lines up. Can't say I'm very happy about how it lines up. I might have to use some kind of padding in between or something, maybe more silicone or putty, because there's going to be gaps, and it's so difficult not to have those gaps. But I think, you know, for the most part it still will hopefully produce enough air to get over to the laptop. But yeah, so I'm going to attach this to this piece now, and then I'm going to get to the other side, so that I'm going to have to do this side too. Again, this is the other piece, angle piece that I'm going to have to cut here. Yeah, so this is the last piece. If I get this wrong, then the whole thing is just not going to work. I hope that I've got it somewhat accurate. I'm probably going to have little gaps, and I'll try to figure out what I'm going to do about those later, if I'm actually going to have to do something about them, because I may not have to. I don't know. That is completely incorrect. That's not going to work at all. I think that'll work. Now I just have to attach it. And there you have it. I don't know if you guys can see how many different kinds of angles this thing has, but it's got a lot of different angles. And yeah, it's quite unique. If I was to have a patent on this, I would patent this. I don't think there's anything like this. I don't know. I'm going to go and put this in. Well, I'm going to go and make sure it fits. And then I'm going to come back and paint it. Well, it looks like it'll work. for the most part anyway. I ended up having to move this piece back a little bit. I did that off camera, I'm sorry. But it just didn't fit, and then I realized that this was just a little too far over. I just moved it back like, I don't know, about a quarter of an inch. And now it fits, well, as good as it's gonna be. It's not perfect by any means. I definitely have some gaps in it, but I hope that I can just go and use some of that foam stuff that I have for the windows or whatever. I figure I'm going to use those and just put that in as I'm putting this piece all together. That'll be interesting, but I'm going to go ahead and paint this now. So I'm going to go set up a little paint area. So basically, I have it sitting on paper towels right now. The paint is almost dry, but it's just still like a little bit wet. So I'm just gonna be careful of it. There's only just a few things I need to do, and that is I just need to attach those couple of brackets, and then be set. So. I'm gonna try to go and put some foam pieces in these big parts here. Like for example, right here is a big part, and yeah, it's mostly in there. Well, this feels nice and cold. So yeah, this is basically the ventilation system for my daughters, and I'm gonna go and test it out and turn on this laptop and run some programs on it to make it sweat and see if it crashes. It does feel like it's at least doing something. I feel like there's cold air coming into it, so I'm hoping that it will do it. Plus the fans with the laptop should like take it all in. I hope. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys like these videos, and if you like them, smash a like. If you're wanting to see more, hit the subscribe button. And also, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will get back to you later with another project. I got one in mind, and you guys just gonna have to see and wait to see what it will be. Anyway, like I said, we'll see you another day. Bye.